Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this delicious chocolate pancake with coconut filling. This is super delicious, great for breakfast, snacks, or even as a dessert. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. That way you don't miss on upcoming videos. Now let's get started with this beautiful, delicious recipe. To start off here, I have a bowl. In that I have a Swiffer. I'm adding 1 cup of all-purpose flour. To this I'm adding 4 tablespoons cocoa powder. I'm using a Dutch processed dark cocoa powder, unsweetened. Now go ahead and swift this without any lumps. Once you swift them, go ahead and just mix them roughly. And to this I'm adding 2 tablespoons sugar, a pinch of salt. Go ahead and mix them. Now sugar I'm adding just as my requirement. You can add more or less. Here I'm adding 2 large eggs. Go ahead and actually mix them together until the egg is well combined with the flour. Now here I have 1.5 cup of milk, full fat milk. I'm going to just add half of the milk first. I'm going to make a smooth paste because when you add full milk, sometimes you can't mix them well and you will have still small lumps here and there. So to avoid this, just add little bit milk first and then the rest of the milk later. Go ahead and mix them all well until it's well combined. To this I'm adding 3 tablespoons melted butter, which is around 40 grams of butter. Go ahead and mix them well. And now once you mix them well without any lumps, go ahead and rest it for at least 20 minutes. If you don't have time, you can go ahead and start making it right away. While it is resting, here I have a saucepan. To this I've added 1.5 cup of heavy whipping cream, 2 tablespoons sugar. Again, sugar you can add more or less depending on your taste level. Here I have 2 cups of desiccated coconut. I'm using an unsweetened coconut. So you can actually use sweetened coconut. If you're using sweetened coconut, just make sure you reduce the sugar quantity in the beginning. Now make sure you cook them until the cream thickens up and the coconut is nice and moist. Now here I have a pan that is heating on medium-high heat. Go ahead and add ladle full of batter and cook them 1 minute each side, flipping it. Another side again 1 minute. So basically we're cooking this 2 minutes, each side a minute. Now while this is cooking, our coconut is nicely getting cooled down. So go ahead and prepare all the pancakes, and then once it is ready, we will start rolling this pancake with the filling. Now I'm going to just add generous amount of filling inside the pancake and go ahead and roll it, and just roll it the way you want it. Go ahead and just start plating it as you roll it. Now this you can serve with powdered sugar on top or just chocolate syrup on top. You can just drizzle some chocolate syrup or just serve as it is. It's super easy, super simple, and loaded with this delicious coconut. It's super easy to make and the kids would love it, and I definitely love this delicious. It's kind of desserty breakfast. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe below. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye.